Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please guys, watch to the very end as I reveal the secret of making stunning woolen flower using finger. Wrap the first color of wool on your pointer finger. Then sew round until you get to the point you began. The next thing you do now is to attach the second color of wool. Use that to sew the second fringe of the woolen design. When you are done with that, make the pieces 5 and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. At this point, attach a medium-sized bead to make the flower flawless and more beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. See you all in my next video.